Mama Day. A for
Apple.
B for
Boy.
C for
Cat.
D for
Dog.
E for
Apple.
F for
Apple.
F.
Apple.
F for
Rock.
crab. G for what's G? G for
Apple.
ayoko na. G for
Kaya.
gorilla. H for hands. I for ice
Ice.
cream. J for
Cheese.
juice. K for K for K for K.
Apple.
Ayoko na. K for
Kayo.
kangaroo. L for
Lemon.
lemon. M for what's M?
Lemon.
M for M.
Lemon.
M.
Lemon.
M. Ano yung M? M for M for
Mommy.
mommy. N for nest.
Daddy.
Nest.
Daddy.
Ang dami. O for
Orange.
orange. P for
Pia.
P for
Pia.
pira.
Apple.
Apple. Q for
Green.
queen. R for
Rabbit.
rabbit. S for
Mommy.
what's S?
Mommy.
Sorry.
Mommy.
T for yes, T for dapat na tayo matapos. T for
Guys.
tiger. U for U for ano mo na U?
Kaya.
Umbrella. V for
Kaya.
V.
Kaya.
Ano yung V? Vase. Say mo, vase. W for W. Sabi, what's W daw? W for
Hey.
whale. X for X.
Egg.
Xylophone. Sabi mo, xylophone. Ikaw. Xylophone. Ikaw. Igahin mo si Jess. Sabi mo, xylophone. Y for Y for Y for Jess, what's Y muna? Y. Lalagyan niya ni Mami. Y for
Rat.
Y. Ano muna yung Y? Y for
Rat.
yacht. Anong yacht pa? Yellow. Ang arty naman. Lalagay ni Mama. Z for
Yeah.
zebra. Yay! Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Hi ka. Hi ka muna. Hi. Hi ka. Hi. Hi ka. Hi.
Bye.
Paano yung pretty ni Jess? Paano yung pretty smile? Ay, pretty.